Hi everyone, Namaste. Welcome on my YouTube channel and welcome to the next video of this channel. So basically in this video I'm going to talk about the rebellions which happened against Alauddin Khilji. Alauddin Khilji के बारे में हम सबको पता है. He was the second Sultan of Khalji dynasty, and Alauddin Khilji, though he was considered as a very strong and very autocratic kind of ruler and very like ruthless ruler, जो अपने हैंड में सारी पावर सेंट्रलाइज करके रखना चाहते थे. He was his like persona is like this only, and he was like this, but he did face certain rebellion pretty early in his reign which changed his outlook towards administration, towards kingship, जिसके बारे में हम बात करेंगे. तो three primary rebellion happened during the time period of Alauddin Khilji, and we are going to talk about all those three rebellion in this very video. Now, before talking anything else, my name is Chandrabhal Tiwari Om, or just in short Om Tiwari. So if you are watching me for the first time, this slide is telling something about me. I have been teaching on Unacademy platform for last 3 years for NT-UGC NET and SET examinations. If you want to find me on Unacademy and if you are new there, so आप मुझे फ्री प्लेटफॉर्म पे आप फ्री कंटेंट पा सकते हैं. ओम तिवारी आप कोड यूज करेंगे तो उससे फ्री कंटेंट आपका अनलॉक हो जाएगा, या आप अगर प्लस पे भी आना चाहते हैं तब भी आप हमें वहां पे पा सकते हैं. Anyway, moving towards the towards this session. So the very first rebellion which happened, it was the Akad Khan's rebellion. Akad Khan, who was the nephew of Alauddin Khilji. So what happened is that after his generals Ulugh Khan and Nusrat Khan, they have been given the task to control or to capture Ranthambore, but they failed it. So Alauddin, he decided to lead a stronger force on Ranthambore himself. So what he did, he ordered his other officers from various provinces to bring their armies to Tilpat near Delhi. While these armies were on their way to Tilpat, he spent his time doing hunting and all those things. Okay, जैसे उस समय के राजा महाराजा करते थे. During one such expedition, what happened? His nephew Suleiman Shah Akad Khan or Ikat Khan, he conspired to kill him. Okay, he conspired to kill him. What happened is that Alauddin had ordered a game. Okay, and the game was like this कि आप जो आपका शिकार है, जो आपका टाइगर है, उसको आप चारों तरफ से घेरोगे और चारों तरफ से आवाज करोगे तो वो शिकार आपके बीच में फंस जाएगा और फिर उसका शिकार हम कर लेंगे. So Alauddin had ordered his horsemen to form a circle in order to drive the shikar towards him. Now Akad Khan and some Mongol Muslims who were in the service of Akad Khan, what they did, they started shooting arrows at the Sultan by shouting tiger, tiger. ओके, तो सबको लगा कि हाँ ठीक है, टाइगर पे शूटिंग चल रही है, बट अकद खान ही एक्चुअली वाज शूटिंग ऑन अलाउद्दीन खिलजी. उसी समय अ स्लेव नेम्ड मनिक, और सम सोर्सेस से नायक, he threw himself in front of Alauddin and he received 4 arrow wounds. Okay, then Alauddin's bodyguard, they came forward and protected him with shield, but despite of this Alauddin को तीर लग गई थी and he became unconscious. उनको unconscious जान के सुलेमान को लगा, like Ikat Khan, that Sultan is dead, and Akad Khan, he went to the royal camp and he decided that Alauddin Khilji is killed. Okay, several officers welcomed him, but there was one officer named Malik Dinar, who was the officer in charge of Alauddin's harem. He resisted him. Okay, and when Akad Khan, he tried to enter into harem, जहां पे आपके ट्रेजरी वगैरह भी रहती थी सुल्तान के, तो मलिक दिनार asked him to present Alauddin's head as the evidence. Okay, meanwhile तब तक Alauddin, he had regained consciousness and he decided to capture Ikat Khan. Ikat Khan, he flee to Ulugh Khan's camp, and later on he was captured and he was killed. Okay, so this was the very first rebellion which was done by any relative of Alauddin Khilji. The very next rebellion which happened, it was the rebellion of Malik Umar and Mangu Khan. These were also the nephews of Alauddin Khilji only. So these some days after Akad Khan, Alauddin, he was in Ranthambore. While he was busy in Ranthambore, two of his nephews, Malik Umar जो कि उस समय बदाऊं के गवर्नर थे, एंड मंगू खान जो उस समय अवध के गवर्नर थे, दोनों ही लाइक अलाउद्दीन की बहन के बेटे थे. They decided to rebel. Now this revolt started in Awadh, but the cause of this revolt is not certain. Okay, the two brothers, they started recruiting soldiers to overthrow Alauddin's rule, and however, before they could cause any serious damage, Alauddin, he sent his officers to arrest him. दोनों लोगों को पकड़ा गया, दोनों भाइयों को, and Barney says that their eyes were carved out like slices of melon before being killed. Okay, and not just that, their family members and followers were also killed. This was a new thing which we find during the time period of Alauddin Khilji, guys, that he was not just like killing his enemies, but he was also killing the like family members of the enemies as well, and it was pretty new considering the medieval time period. The next rebellion which happened, it was the rebellion of Haji Maula. It was the third rebellion which again happened during the time period of Ranthambore campaign. Ranthambore campaign, it actually was a very tumultuous time for Alauddin Khilji. तो ये आपका rebellion होता ऐसे है कि we know that the Kotwal of Delhi, during the time period of Balban, it was Fakhruddin, and after the death of Fakhruddin, we have seen that during the time period of Alauddin Khilji, it was Alaul Mulk who was made as the Kotwal of Delhi, because he was called by Alauddin Khilji from Kada, and he was made the Kotwal of Delhi. After Alaul Mulk, we have the next Kotwal of Delhi. It was Bayazid Tarmizi. But Bayazid Tarmizi, he was not liked by the people of Delhi. Okay, he had become very unpopular in the city because of his harsh behavior. तो उसका एडवांटेज लेके आपके अलाउद्दीन के एब्सेंस में देयर वाज एन ऑफिसर हु वाज अ सहना नेम्ड हाजी मौला. Haji Maula, who was the Sahana of Bartol area, which was a town in Ganga Yamuna Doab. He had, in fact, he earlier served your Malikul Umra Fakhruddin, a former Kotwal of Delhi. तो उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि like I need to, और he decided to rebel against Alauddin Khilji. अब वो जानते थे he was just a Sahana. Okay, he was just a Sahana. So your like Haji Maula, he decided कि उनका थ्रोन पे वैसे डायरेक्ट कोई लेजिटिमेट क्लेम तो है नहीं. तो व्हाट ही डिड, ओके, ही स्टार्टेड सर्चिंग फॉर समवन हु कुड sit on the throne. By the way, Alauddin, when he heard about this event, okay, कि दिल्ली में ये रिबेलियन हो रहा है, तो उन्होंने अपने ऑफिसर मलिक हमीदुद्दीन को इस रिबेलियन को कंट्रोल करने के लिए भेजा. ओके, मलिक हमीदुद्दीन, ही इंटर्ड दिल्ली फ्रॉम गजनी गेट. ओके, आपके उस समय की दिल्ली के जो पुरानी दिल्ली का जो आपके दिल्ली सल्तनत के टाइम के दिल्ली का जो शहर था, उसमें बहुत सारे गेट थे, जिसमें आपका गजनी गेट है, जिसमें आपका बदाऊं गेट है. तो दीज आर द गेट्स जिनके नाम आपको याद होने चाहिए. तो मलिक हमीदुद्दीन को भेजते हैं आपके अलाउद्दीन खिलजी टू क्वेल द रिबेलियन. मीनवाइल हाजी मौला, ही हैड सेलेक्टेड अ नेम कॉल्ड अलवी. अलवी जो कि सुल्तान अल्तमस की एक बेटी का बेटा होता है, उसको वो सुल्तान बना देते हैं. एंड ही ऑल्सो फोर्स द नोबल्स टू पे ओमाज टू हिम, टू पे सजदा एंड पैबोज टू हिम. ही ऑल्सो अपॉइंटेड हिज फेलो रिबेल्स टू वेरियस रॉयल ऑफिसेस. जब इसकी खबर, अलवी की खबर, जब आपको अलाउद्दीन खिलजी को फिर से लगती है, तो अलाउद्दीन खिलजी, he now sent like his brother अलमस बेग, जिनका टाइटल उलुग खान हो जाता है अलाउद्दीन खिलजी के सुल्तान बनने के बाद. तो उलुग खान, he came to Delhi. By the time Ulugh Khan, he reached Delhi, Hamiduddin, he had already taken control over the revolt, where he has defeated Haji Maula's forces. While some of the followers of Zafar Khan, who came from Amroha for some courtly business, they also helped Ulugh Khan and Hamiduddin in this matter. Anyway, Haji Maula, वो भागते हैं, and he retreated towards the Bhandarkal Gate. Bhandarkal Gate, again a gate of that like Delhi Sultanate time period. Here Hamiduddin, he dragged him from his horse and he killed him. Apart from that, he also killed, like Hamiduddin, he also killed Alavi, that ruler, that puppet ruler who was installed on the throne by your Haji Maula. So Alvi was also killed and his head was paraded around Delhi on a spear. Okay, so these were the three major rebellion which happened during the time period of Alauddin Khilji. Now these rebellion, it actually proved very like shocking for Alauddin Khilji. Alauddin Khilji, he became very conscious about the stability of his own empire. So ऐसा बोला जाता है, जियाउद्दीन बर्नी बोलते हैं कि अलाउद्दीन खिलजी ही कॉल्ड द मीटिंग ऑफ हिज काउंसिल, मजलिसे खास, उनकी मीटिंग बुलाई जाती है और उस मीटिंग में उनके जो लॉयल ऑफिशियल्स रहते हैं, जिसमें आपके मलिक आइनुल मुल्क होते हैं, आइनुल मुल्क मुल्तानी, मलिक हमीदुद्दीन, मलिक ऐजुद्दीन, these people they were there and they decided that they started pondering upon ki what are some of the measures which could actually prevent any kind of future rebellions. So it has been decided that there are four reasons which are there are four reasons for any kind of rebellion which happens. The first is the ignorance of the king about the good and bad acts of the people. Okay, so the people या लाइक आपके राज्य में क्या चल रहा है इसके बारे में राजा को कुछ पता नहीं है. इसका मतलब क्या है? द स्पाई सिस्टम इज वीक. सेकेंड रीजन इज लिकर. इट अलाउज पीपल टू फॉर्म अलायंसेज एंड हैच कॉन्स्पिरेसीज एट ड्रिंकिंग पार्टीज. बिकॉज लोग पार्टी के नाम पे अभी भी होता है ना कि लाइक जो फ्रेंड्स आपके थोड़ा सा चढ़ाते उड़ाते हो, वो आपसे बोलते हैं भाई पार्टी दे दो. पार्टी में क्या मतलब है कि ठीक है लिकर वगैरह दारू वगैरह लेके आओ और पीते हैं और ठीक है हम महफिल जमाते हैं. तो उन्हीं महफिलों में क्या होता था कि आपके बॉन्ड स्ट्रांग बन जाता था, कॉन्स्पिरेसीज हैच होती थी. तो ये सारी चीजें, इनफैक्ट देयर इज दिस स्टोरी की लाइक आई हैड वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स, ही वंस ब्रॉट मी विस्की एंड आई डोंट ड्रिंक. सो लाइक यूजुअली आई डोंट ड्रिंक. सो मेरे पास वो विस्की पड़ी थी, मैंने ऐसे पिया नहीं. तो मैंने उसको एक अपने लाइक का टेनेंट था, नीचे रहता था जिस बिल्डिंग में मैं दिल्ली में रहता था, उसको मैंने दे दिया. अब उस बंदे ने, उसको मैंने बस दे दिया बिकॉज ही यूज्ड टू ड्रिंक. Okay, after that he started respecting me so much and he came so close to me asking me और क्या हाल चाल है भाई, सब बढ़िया है, कोई दिक्कत हो तो बताना. It's like that. So yes, liquor is something which can form an alliance. I'm not encouraging you guys to go towards liquor in order to form alliance. There are other ways as well, other teetotaler ways. Anyway, this was the second measure which was or second reason which was recognized by the council कि ये आपका reason होता है रिबेलियन के होने के पीछे. थर्ड वाज द क्लोजनेस एंड रिलेशंस अमंग द नोबल्स. इफ वन ऑफ देम इज पनिश्ड द अदर्स जॉइन हिम बिकॉज ऑफ ब्लड टाइज एंड फ्रेंडशिप. द फोर्थ इज मनी. लोगों के पास अगर पैसा बहुत ज्यादा होता है तो दे थिंक ऑफ रिबेलियन, या उनके पास अगर पैसे नहीं होता है तो मोस्टली वो क्या कहते हैं, अपने लाइवलीहुड के लिए ही बिजी रहते हैं, इसलिए लोगों के पास ज्यादा पैसे नहीं होने चाहिए. एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी फाइंड दैट after he returned to Ranthambore, and because Alauddin Khilji, he was so much shocked by all these rebellions, it is said कि for almost a month he did not come to Delhi. Okay, just like Jalaluddin Khilji जो एक साल तक किलूगढ़ी में रहे, दिल्ली में आए ही नहीं, उसी तरीके से जियाउद्दीन बर्नी बोलते हैं कि रणथंबोर से वापस लौटने के बाद एक महीने तक वो दिल्ली आए ही नहीं, क्योंकि वो दिल्ली के लोगों से गुस्सा थे, दिल्ली के लोगों से परेशान थे कि दिल्ली के लोग हमारे लिए लॉयल नहीं हैं and they are supporting anyone who is revolting against me. Okay, so yeah, after that he took so many measures on the basis of all these four decisions which have been taken by your like the council, the मजलिस खास. और इसके बाद हम जानते हैं कि लाइक इंटेलिजेंस एंड सर्विलेंस सिस्टम को मजबूत किया गया, प्रोहिबिशन आपके इन्फोर्स किया गया, नोबल्स के ऊपर कंट्रोल हुआ, एक्सेस जो वेल्थ थी उसको कन्फिस्केट किया गया. Okay, so these were three major rebellions which happened during the time period of Alauddin Khilji. Thank you so much for joining me here. ये जो आपको यहाँ पे like QR कोड दिख रहा है राइट साइड में, आप इसको अगर स्कैन करोगे तो you can find my Telegram channel. That Telegram channel is just for you guys who are actively looking for NT-UGC NET examination. So उसके प्रिपरेशन के लिए यहाँ पे हम like ये आपका ग्रुप है, you can interact with the fellow learners. I also share details about my upcoming classes. I also share some of the study materials as well. तो वो सारी चीज़ें आप हमें ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. अदर देन दैट ओम्स हिस्ट्री पे भी आप हमको पा सकते हैं. अगर आप इस YouTube चैनल पे नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. इंस्टा पे आप ओम्स हिस्ट्री सर्च करेंगे जो कि आपको पीछे के पेजेस में वाटरमार्क में दिख रहा होगा. तो आप अगर इंस्टाग्राम पे भी मुझे सर्च करेंगे तो आपको हम मिल जाएंगे. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग मी हियर. नेक्स्ट सेशन तक बाय बाय, नमस्ते.